Hello everyone, traders. Avi from Trading, the YouTube channel focusing exclusively on binary option trading. Today I will show you a strategy based on the Vortex and Schaff trend cycle indicator. Before, please and let me kindly ask you to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming content. Thanks for all. I am trading at PocketOption. You can find the platform and link in the description as usual. Let's get to the strategy of the current video. I choose the Vortex and Schaff trend cycle indicator. I go to the settings of the Schaff trend cycle indicator and just set it to 2 pixel. I go to Vortex settings, select period 7 and select 2 pixel. And here we must be able to find a good moment for trading and match the conditions that we have with the indicators. Here I will get a bullish trade because if we look at the Vortex indicator we have a crossover, and if we see the Schaff trend cycle indicator started to rise, so here is a good moment to get a 1-minute deal. And now we will see the end of the trade, only we have to choose the good moment to trade. If the conditions are applied as in the video, it will become professional. Trade closed successfully. You should look for the good moment to trade. Here, as we said previously, we have 2 indicators to help. So if we see the Vortex indicator, how is there an intersection, and the Schaff trend cycle indicator is heading upwards, let us wait for the end of trading. I got 2 trades and closed the trade successfully. As I said earlier, the indicators must match our working the market to get good trades. Before getting the trade, we must see the market matches with 2 indicators. If yes, I will get my trades. So, as you can see here in this market, we have an intersection in the Vortex indicator to the downside, and the Schaff trend cycle indicator is in a downward state, so we will get 2 trades and wait for the end of trading. Closed both trades successfully and I go see a good moment. Here is a good moment to get trades. We see the Vortex indicator, we have a cross in its beginnings, and we see the Schaff trend cycle indicator is still below, but it will go up, but it will be a relatively good moment. The conditions should be identical towards the 2 indicators, but we only have the Vortex indicator that applies the conditions. I won a trade and lost a trade in the last seconds, and now the market will go up, but I will look for a good moment. Here I will get lower trades. As we said, we see the Vortex indicator, we have a crossover, and if we see the Schaff trend cycle indicator, we also have a decline in the line, so it will be a good moment, and I will wait for the end of trading. Both trades closed successfully, and now we are looking for a good moment that matches the conditions and the indicators. Here we will get 2 trades higher, because we have 2 indicators to help. If we look at the Vortex indicator, we can see that we have a crossover, and if we see the Schaff trend cycle indicator, we can see that it is in an uptrend, and here is a good moment, and we will wait for the end of trading. trades closed successfully and now looking for another good moment. Here also I will get 2 trades lower because the Vortex indicator has uncrossed and the Schaff trend cycle indicator is heading towards the downside. I apply the strategy in this way, and as you can see that the trades are almost so far still good. Closed both trades successfully and I go see a good moment. Here is a good moment to get 2 trades. We see that the Vortex indicator has a cross and the Schaff trend cycle indicator is at the bottom. This is a sign that the market will go downward. These will be the last 2 trades for the day. Let's see what happens in these trades. Closed 2 trades successfully today. I made almost $6,000 with this great strategy. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click like on the video so as not to miss anything new. Thank you for watching.